You have sweet sour sauce.
Me ratty then tough like a rock stone. Right then, look.
Mommy. 10 for $2.
Why them potato you look?
This baggy over.
Where you want the big one them?
Good one.
Why them look bad though?
Pick the good one. You got a dick so bad.
She want me put me hand in the dirt and she don't want to touch it. Gotcha. She want me to pick the potato. She like me I go take some lime. What's the lime then? Them big though. You no come that side there man then kidnap you. Something full of lime. Look out the best one them. So you know, long me I search for callaloo. Right now me find some callaloo. I go try look on them how them stay. So them fine, but me I go take 2 bungles still.
Green onion. They are digging there. Bad. You didn't have to move, girl. Just stay back up. Thank you.
So me I go take up 2 beetroot. Eh? Manufacturer, yeah, this look good.
I need to make some eggs.
Finally, we get
my green. Which one I want? A big one. It's black.
sometimes I scratch one and pepper and it's not good. This is a pumpkin.
There should be enough or you need 2?
Yeah?
For $5?
We want some corn or boil. Watch, where we are going to boil chicken foot soup.
Yeah, chicken food.
Make chicken foot soup, so we have to search the corn them if they're good. We don't want no
Or
corn.
bad.
We don't want no corn, we no worm in there.
How do you say it? Good.
Let's see, search them
What?
out.
Whoa.
So we are going to get some cocoa. Yeah, this is Jamaican cocoa. All we plant them in Jamaica.
Is it the pink one or the...
You can use any one, either the pink one or the yellow one. You have the yellow, white one over there, sir. Yeah. Them people really name them or something, yeah?
Yes.
Octopus. Lord.
That's where it scored says ink.
Eh?
This is booty hole.
Yeah. Crab. Fish. I know here, so you get fish. Okay. How much?
No spice. Is that pimento?
Spice with it, yeah. With everything in there.
Extract.
Vanilla. I should have something that you get.
What?
Look at me almond. Yeah, the almond.
Yeah, no, I'm an...
Kenzie.
For curry chicken.
Give a chicken back. A chicken cut. You need the better part. I mean, you know, we are going to get fat we cook too much same thing.
So the curry we have at home is not enough?
This, we are going to take this?
Yeah.
And we are going to put this in the oven?
Yeah.
Lord, seed.
It's real. Duck. Jesus Christ.
Duck meat.
Yeah.
It's all natural. Alright guys, I pure meat in here. No, sir. So what's that story and name again? Pure meat guys, watch it. What? Mommy, I take out. Mommy, I say, yeah, take out. We done sharp. What she had throw down me like a Lasco. My Lasco. So we done shop and we are heading out. Come on. I'm okay. So we done shop and we are go home now. We are left the cat right here so we can out here so we get it. Felicia just left it right there so which part you get it. Remember say out there so you pick it up. So with the pan we are go through watch it. Traffic ahead that way.
There's no traffic.
Oh, you mean there's no traffic now?
Where do you see traffic?
There's no traffic now, Chalita.
Where? That's like 5 cars in front of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Still traffic.
That's not traffic. Don't you see we're moving?
Sir.
That's it.
So we have one more stop. How much stop? One more or 2?
1.
And that is Publix.
And everything will be closed tomorrow.
Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. This I make the second Thanksgiving me have up here. I second Thanksgiving with me.
Damn light in my face.
So you can say we're not in a traffic now. Watch it.
It looks like we're about to
Here
get
is
traffic. We're about to get
Here is
traffic.
yes, you know.
Good traffic.
Yes, your windshield will wipe off. Tesla sign. We never see this out there.
I think that's new.
American flag, not Jamaican flag.
It's America flag. Yeah, it's America.
Everything at Jamaica for now. I want to know Jamaica.
That's not Jamaica flag.
That's not Jamaica flag.
Well, we have Kalalu.
And we have saltfish.
Look at this bastard.
I don't make him cutting pan you, so a good thing say me have him pan tape.
Did you see how he just...
Miss when him just swear in, just in a little part there, so I'll catch up on my camera, you little red.
That's how people crash into each other.
Him just swear in pan you, so
If he would have pulled up and put the indicator on, I would have no problem letting him in. But don't just swipe me like
if he
that.
did ever lick you and driveway, would have in license plate. Little sucker.
Yeah, I wanted to call him something too. The word wasn't coming to me yet.
No, this is traffic. Watch it.
Yeah, this is traffic.
No, sir.
This is rush hour.
This is traffic.
Don't look at my side.
Oh my
I got another one. We got cars too. Right here.
This ended.
Another stop again we have, and we are going inside to Publix. So I'm gonna take you with me. I'm a jing bang them. See them there? Me I'm a jing bang. Me I'm a jing gyration. So we are going to Publix. I'm going into Publix. Watch me, Fanny. See we on the camera there? Yeah. What is?
$100.
No, sir. And you can't make it? You can't make it. That's not here, so.
Chocolate or sprinkles?
So they say they want chocolate cookies. And we have cake right there, so. So, right now we have to pick up some ginger. And not even know if they are strong. You know, we got it.
Found it?
Yeah.
It's liquidy.
So we stop at Publix, yes, and we have to pick up. See how there?
Can you hold this gun up?
You go like you're jidal, boy, come jidal me. I carry paper, come give me, but me fi hold it. And me hold it in run gone.
You don't have no more.
I see the, watch it. Everybody see the tie them. Come, leave the people then tie. No, sir. Seaweed. Why should love the seaweed them, man? Watch her. But me not see the other type them where you used to buy.
They don't sell them anymore.
Ah. Seaweed. She love the seaweed, let me see. Lord Jesus, yeah, them are sushi, yeah. Come. Well, sir. No. Ever do before? $29?
Yeah.
Not bad.
I don't want that.
What a ham.
Excuse me.
Smoked gourmet
Stay there.
slice.
Yeah, I want the
Pork
spiral
chop.
sliced one. Not those.
Makai. Hey Makai. Hey Makai. See? God. Hungry?